Welcome back to Auto Apex, the place where we bring you the latest and most exciting updates from the world of automobiles. If you love futuristic cars, cutting-edge tech, and luxurious rides, you're in the right place. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on the bell icon so you never miss an update. Today, we're diving into something truly futuristic, the Audi Aicon. This isn't just a car, it's a glimpse into what the future of luxury mobility looks like. Audi unveiled the Aicon as a concept car, and it's packed with innovation that redefines what we expect from an automobile. So what exactly is the Audi Aicon? It's a fully electric, fully autonomous luxury sedan. That means no steering wheel, no pedals, just pure comfort and advanced AI driving the experience. Audi built it from the ground up with the idea of a driverless future in mind. The Aicon offers a lounge-like interior with wide opening doors, 4 individual seats, and smart ambient lighting to create an ultra-premium environment. Inside, it's more like sitting in a luxury aircraft than a traditional car. Under the hood, or should I say under the sleek surface, the Aicon is powered by a 4-motor electric drivetrain. It promises a range of up to 500 miles on a single charge, which is a serious statement in the EV world. It also supports fast charging, capable of reaching 80% battery in just around 30 minutes. But let's talk about what everyone wants to know: how much would it cost if it ever hits the roads? Now here's the things. The Audi Aicon is still a concept vehicle, and Audi hasn't officially announced a production version yet. However, experts and insiders estimate that if it were to be released for consumers in the US, the price would likely start around $150,000 and $200,000 depending on final specifications and production scale. Given the advanced tech, luxury materials, and autonomous capabilities, this price tag wouldn't come as a surprise. Audi has made it clear that the Aicon isn't just about style. It's about revolutionizing urban mobility. It's equipped with Level 5 autonomy, which means it's designed to drive without any human input at all. That's the highest level of self-driving technology, and it's still under development for mass-market vehicles. So don't expect to see the Aicon in showrooms just yet, but it's a sign of what Audi has in store for the next decade. And let's not forget the design. The Aicon looks like it came straight out of a sci-fi movie. Sleek curves and aggressive yet elegant silhouette and signature Audi lighting all come together to create a vehicle that turns heads even while parked. So, to wrap things up, the Audi Aicon represents Audi's vision for the future, a luxurious, electric, and fully autonomous vehicle that combines design, innovation, and sustainability. While it's still a concept for now, it's exciting to think about how soon we could see cars like this on American roads. Thanks for watching this deep dive into the Audi Aicon. If you enjoyed the video, make sure to like, comment your thoughts on the future of self-driving luxury cars, and subscribe to Auto Apex for more car tech reviews and updates. See you in the next video.